Welcome to Victor, Viewrail's premier design application. This tool will allow you to draw the layout for your railing project and specify your desired look by choosing from our variety of products, materials, and finishes. Let's get started. First, Victor needs to know some details about the system you're designing. Select metal for projects incorporating Viewrail posts or glass hardware, or wood for projects utilizing Viewrail wood newels or existing wood structures. For this tutorial, we'll use metal. Next, select whether your project is interior or exterior, your choice of railing infill, and specify the mounting style for your posts, as well as the material and finish options you'd like for your posts and handrail. Make your selections, then click Done to proceed. Click here to edit these options at any time. Now you're ready to draw your project. To your left, you'll find the toolbar. Victor will default to the Create tool for runs. Notice that whichever tool is active is highlighted in blue. To draw your first run, click anywhere in the grid and drag in any direction. This will bring up the runs window. From this screen, you can specify your railing details, such as direction of the run, handrailed height, the elevation of your run, detailing whether your run is level or ascends or descends a staircase, whether the run has a handrail, whether the floor will be to the left or right hand of the railing system, and the length of the run. Note that Victor defaults to a level run, which we'll use for this example. Specify your run details and click Submit. Victor will show your run lengths in your post configuration labels by default. You can change the labels associated with your runs in the Settings section here. Refer to the legend for additional details about your drawing, and the magnifier to zoom your view in or out. As you draw runs, Victor will create a parts list based on your drawings and material list you specified. You can even view your project in 3D. When you've completed your drawing, click here to submit your drawing to our design professionals. A member of our team will evaluate your drawing and reach out as soon as possible to verify your project details and provide you with a quote. Click here for additional videos and resources about Victor. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy making your new rail Viewrail.